There's a free gift from Zepto for all of us. Interested to know how to get free gift? Let's check out. Hello, namaste. How are you all doing? Hope you're all happy, smiling. Yes, this is Flying Skies One. Welcomes you all to watch pretty good videos and offers. Today, don't skip the video because all are interesting products in the gift box. See, these are some of the items I have ordered on Zepto. Along with the items I have ordered, Zepto has given me a gift box. I'll tell you the minimum order you got to place in order to get gift box from Zepto in the later part of the video, because it differs from person to person. As you see in the picture, this is the gift box I have got from Zepto. As you see in the picture, all the new users can use my referral code if you want to place your first order on Zepto, because you'll be getting 50% off on your first order along with the gift. Okay, for new users who want to know what is Zepto, this is an grocery online delivery app. Of course, apart from grocery, you have daily essentials, pet supplies, and some electronics. You can shop if you want. And if any of you want to know more details as how to place order using the referral code, I'll provide a video in the I button, end screen, and description box you can check out. Okay, now without any delay, we'll see what's there in the gift box. Let's unbox it, right? So this is how the box is, as you see in the picture. You've got different items, and these items are interesting. Some of them are first time that were released in the market. So do check out and don't skip the video. Here comes turtle chips that cost 20 rupees. These are crunchy. This is from Orion brand. If you want more of Orion products, especially Choco Pie, you can check out my video in the I button, end screen, and description box. So this is how they look. These are sweet in taste, and you can feel the taste of rice flour as well, and it's not hard to chew. They are soft, they melt in mouth. The next item is Baggri's fruit and nut. You all know this. There are no added preservatives. You will love it. This costs 50 rupees. It's sweet in taste as you have some added fruits and nuts along with the oats. You can take it as breakfast in the mornings if you want. You all know oats is good for health, especially rolled oats. As you see in the picture, you can have it with your milk in the mornings as an healthy diet. Next comes, this is from Renee Cosmetics, Red Noir. It's a perfume. It costs 50 rupees. Sorry, I was mistaken with the price. It costs 100 rupees. As you see in the picture, this is red in color. It has got striking fragrance with a blend of tangerine, pear, and vanilla. You can try this. You can feel fresh with the long-lasting fragrance. Okay, moving on to the next product. This is Tangy Emli. As you see in the picture, it costs 5 rupees. It's not a lollipop, it's desi popz. As you see in the picture, this is how it looks. You can chew, lick as a lollipop if you want. Did you like this product? If yes, let me know in the comment section, please. Moving on to the next product, you have body mist. This is Deo from Plum brand. You can feel the vanilla vibes, and it smells like a yummy cupcake. Do try it and feel fresh, right? Okay, we'll go for the next one. This is Centrum Women Capsules. This is world's #1 multivitamin brand, Centrum, and it is especially, these capsules are for women. You have 23 vitamins in this tablet. don't mistake for medicine. This is not medicine. This is 100% vegetarian, gluten free. You can try it. This can be used by all women who are 18 plus age. It supports overall health. It will give you strong bones and immunity. Now we have got the last product in the gift box. This is instant filter coffee liquid. Again I repeat, this is not coffee powder. This is liquid filter coffee. I'll open it and show you, and I'll make coffee for you as you see in the picture. Instant in 2 or 3 minutes. If the milk is hot, you can have it. And 1 spoon of liquid coffee goes into 100 ml of milk with 1 teaspoon of sugar. Taste is superb. You will love this liquid coffee. It's not like regular coffee. This is a blend of 30% chicory and 70% coffee. So feel fresh with this instant filtered coffee liquid. Moving on to the next one. This is a happy wishes card from Zepto, as you see in the picture. Wishing to bake something for your sister? If yes, you can scan the QR code over there. As you see in the picture, you can scan the QR code and know the process of baking a cake. Yes, if you don't know how to scan the QR code, I'll provide a video and the I button, end screen and description box. You go, check that out and make cake for your sister, right? So here comes the end of all items and the gift box. Now it's time. I'll say how you can get a gift box from Zepto. I'll show you how you have to order, right? As you see in the picture, you have to go to Zepto app. Right on the home page, you will see all the offers, flash sale and potatoes 9 rupees and super deals you have. You can check out daily. But now you have on the home page 60% off threads of love. You can click on that. You can avail 60% off on all products. Okay, let me tell you, if you want more discount, as you see in the picture, play and win. You can click on that, play that game and win more discount on your products that you order on Zepto. It takes only 2 minutes of time for you to play. So after finishing the game, you will see this kind of coupon. You have won. You can click on order now and apply coupon at the checkout. Okay, coming back as how to get a gift box. You just have to add the products to the cart. Click on add button. After adding all the products into the cart, you go to view cart. So click on view cart. Here you see there's no Rakhi gift being added in your cart. And under special offers for you, it says shop for 397 rupees more to unlock a free gift. So you got to add 397 rupees in order to get free gift. Of course, here it is prompting for me to add 397 worth products to the cart in order to unlock the free gift. But for you, you may have some other value or number. And please know, there's no minimum order value that I can tell you to avail the gift box. Okay, coming back, after added 397 rupees to the cart, there's a gift box that has been added to the cart. Now you can place your order. You have to click on apply coupon as shown in the picture. You have got plenty of coupons here. You can apply any coupon, or if you want any payment offers, you can apply that coupon. Have got 150 rupees discount by applying DBS coupon as you see in the picture. After applying the coupon, click on continue to payment and make payment. That's it, done. Your order is placed. In this way, you can avail free gift from Zepto. Thanks for watching. Keep smiling. Have a good day.